Hi everyone, it's Sandy here. I have another fun project for you guys to share with you. It's another quick and easy flipbook style flipbook if you want to make a last minute project to send off to somebody, or if you are in a swap group. This is a perfect, very easy, simple project for you to make, and it only uses 6x6 paper. We all have a lot of 6x6 paper and sometimes we don't know what to do with it without cutting the papers. This is a great project and it doesn't require a scoreboard or anything like that. So this is what I've created, and it's really easy. It's nice and flat. It can still hold a few goodies in here and just makes a cute little project to send off as happy mail as well. So this is how my front page looks like, and I'm also going to show you how you can make this as well. So I've held the flipbook closed with one of my altered wooden clothespin or wooden peg, and that's just a little resin flower that I adhere that to a little metal connector there. So yeah, this is the front page. It's really easy. So you turn your page, and on this side here I've just added a handmade embellishment that I have made myself, and I packed that in a clear seal bag and adhered that with some washi tape. And this page here, I've got an ephemera, and I use that as a pocket to put these other goodies in here, some tags, some cutter parts, and they just get tucked in there nicely, and it also decorates the page really nicely as well. So that's that page. Again, it just uses 6x6 paper, or you can use one sheet of 12x12 paper as well to make this. You can actually get two of these flip books if you're using a one sheet of 12x12. So we'll go to the next page here, and this is just a cut apart that I embellished and added some die cuts just to decorate that page. This here is a envelope that I've also placed in there, and it's just, I like the way it flips open. And you can put some more goodies in here, or a letter, a note card. You can also use this as a place to put a gift card or some washi sample. And this is the next page here. I've just embellished this page as well. And then you get another page here. I've embellished this bottom part with a cute little rabbit in a top hat. And this is another ephemera that I've made it into a pocket, and I've just tucked in there some cute little tags as well. So you can have little tuck spots, create your little pockets in here, add envelopes, embellish your pages, or you can use your page as a place to write. This is also a great little flip book as a traveler's notebook. You can use it for junk journal. This is a great insert for a traveler's notebook as well. So there's so many ways you can use this kind of flipbook for different projects. So I'm going to show you how to make one as well. I think I've said that already. So that's your last page. So that's this one here. And then I also made a Christmas one, and this one here will be going to get sent out to one of my Australian crafty friends for Christmas this year. So hopefully she will get this before Christmas. So that's the same. I've just made an altered paper clip with a little felt Santa hat, and at the back of that I've just used a circle punch and placed that on the back just to keep that tidy. So this is a similar idea, similar pages. I've added another ephemera as a pocket, and added some cutter parts and some Christmas tags in that pocket. And this page again, I just embellished that side. I added another pocket here, and this one here has some washi samples, and I will put some more goodies in here as well before I send this off. And I've embellished the back of that envelope. This is another cut apart with a verse from a Christmas song. And the last page here, I've made another tuck spot and added some Christmas ephemeras in there for her to use. I left that blank so I could write my message here. So this is a Christmas card / a flip book that I'm sending off to one of my crafty friends. So that is the Christmas one, and I'm going to show you how to make one of these. So what you need, you will just need 2 pieces of your 6x6 paper of your choice. So just deciding which piece you want as your front, and that one you will need, I think I'm going to use this one as my front page. So all you do is simply fold it in half. Nice and easy, just like that, folding it in half. Okay, so that will create your first page here. That's this page here. And now we're just going to create your second page, which is this page here, that's in the middle. So what you do there, you grab your next piece of 6x6 paper, we'll put that one to the side. And with this one here, you're going to fold it in half, or not in half, but you're going to fold it, leaving about 3/4 of an inch off-centered to the where you're going to fold. So in this case, which is this one here, I'll just show you. So as you can see with this page here, there is that gap there. So you can make this page not as wide, or you can just fold it in half, but I kept mine off-centered just to make it more interactive and a more fun way to make your book. So I'm going to do it the same as this one by folding it over and leaving 3/4 of an inch out, so just like that. And then I'm just going to turn it, so you want the wider part as your second page, and then the shorter side as your next page. And all we do here is we're just going to simply slide that in there, so that creates your flipbook. So that's your first page, and this is your second page, and then you've got this page, and then that closes up like that. And so what I've done to bind the book together, all I did was I've just used some washi tape. If you don't have any washi tape, you can just cut a couple of strips of paper about 1/2 inch, and all we do here is we're just going to lay your washi to your second page, just like that, and then I'm just going to cut this out, cut this other end out too, and we're just going to place it on the fold, but just below the fold line. So I'm just going to fold that over so we can see. So you want the fold line of your second page just below the fold line of your first page. That way your book can close nicely. So just lining it up like that, and then just pressing your washi to it. Just making sure everything lines up. So that keeps your book closed. So that page is done with your washi. Then you'll have that page, and then this page here will apply some more washi to the back side of that page. You can buy these washi tapes from AliExpress. They have a large range of washi tape, and they're very inexpensive. So if you're wanting to know where to purchase them, yeah, you can just go to AliExpress or eBay or anywhere like that. So I'm just going to cut the ends off. So that creates your book really, really easy. So that's your first page, your second page, and this is your middle page. So we're going to also add an envelope here. So this is another option. You don't have to add an envelope, but you could use any size envelopes. This one here, I made one out of a 6x6 paper using the envelope punch board, and this is a 3x4 card size envelope. So it just uses a 6x6 paper. So there's another way to use your paper. And what you do here is you have your flap here. So your flap will go on this side, and that's your pocket. So to hold that flap down, you're going to need another piece of paper. I'm just going to use a cut apart from some 12x12 paper or journaling card or scrap paper, and all you do is I'm going to use this one. So with the back of the flap, you're going to adhere glue to the back of the flap. I'm just going to get some glue. Sorry, I forgot to get the glue ready. So apply glue to the back of the whole flap, and then you grab your scrap paper or journaling card or whatever you like, and you adhere that to the bottom of to the flap, just below the fold line on that side. So then that's done, and then what we do here is we're going to apply glue now to the whole back of the part where we adhered the card. So just do that. And then, oh, and also before you do that, you can add washi tape first to the middle of the fold line if you wanted to. But I'm just going to show you how to do it this way. And then what we do here is you're just going to, on the fold line, we're just going to, again, line that wherever you like, just below the fold line. So that will sit nicely like that. And so that just seals and covers that envelope flap. And there you create your envelope pocket. And then that's all there is to that. And that creates another insert for you. So just another fun way to create a quick flip book. And also you can decorate your corners with a corner rounder punch if you have one of those. Again, you don't have to do that if you don't want to. So just like that, and that gives you a nice corner rounded edge. So this is just another quick, easy, outgoing Happy Mail flip book using your 6x6 paper. Just another fun project for you. So I do hope you enjoyed this video and tutorial, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.